Hello literature lovers, welcome to our channel Literate Club. We are again with the part 4 of mock test series Bihar Estate English 2025. So let's start. Okay, our very first question for today's video is question number 1. What is the name of the magical power that allows Dushyant to recognize Shakuntala? Options are Shakun Shuddhi, Shakun Matwa, Shakun Shunya or Shakun Tattva. And the correct option is option number A, that is Shakun Shuddhi. Question number 2. Vijay Tendulkar comments on dash. In his play Silence, the court is in session. Option A, legal awareness. B, exploitation of women. C, judicial authority. Or D, women's empowerment. And the correct option is option number B, that is exploitation of women. Question number 3. Devdutt vows to sacrifice his toe arms to the goddess Kali and his head too. Options are Lord Ganesh, Lord Rudra, Lord Shiva or Lord Vishnu. And the correct option is Lord Shiva. Question number 4. We do love our own blood, unlike you who treat your own shit which can't be untouched. Are lines from A, Final Solutions, Hayavadana, Silence, the court is in session or Mrich Kattikam. And the correct option is option number A, that is Final Solutions. Question number 5. Mrich Kattikam is attributed to dash Valmiki, Shudrak, Kalidas or Tulsidas. And the correct option is Shudrak. Question number 6. Abhigyan Shakuntalam is a drama composed around 5th century, 6th century, 7th century or 8th century. And the correct option is option number A, that is 5th century. Question number 7. The idea of widow remarriage was advocated by Jyoti Rao Phule, Periyar, Dayanand Saraswati or Pandit Ramabai. And the correct option is option number D, that is Pandit Ramabai. Question number 8. Hear Me Sanjay is a mythological story based on the life of option A, Draupadi, B, Gandhari, C, Madri or D, Kunti. And the correct option is option number D, Kunti. Question number 9. Babani Bhattacharya is considered as a kind of writer who can mix romanticism with idealism, naturalism with symbolism, classicism with rationalism or idealism with realism. And the correct option is option number D, that is idealism with realism. Question number 10. Rajendra Prasad had his early education at the hands of village Maulvi who taught him. Option A, Sanskrit, B, Persian, C, Urdu or D, both B and C. And the correct option is option number D, that is both B and C. Question number 11. Man is the measure of all things is a dictum of Thomas Hardy, T.S. Eliot, R.K. Narayan or Mulk Raj Anand. And the correct option is Thomas Hardy. Question number 12. Kaisar-e-Hind was the title given to dash by the British government. Options are Ruskin Bond, Jhumpa Lahiri, Pandit Ramabai or Salim Ali. And the correct option is option number D, that is Salim Ali. Question number 13. The type of study of the changes in language over a span of time is called onomatopoeic, diachronic, synchronic or semiotic. And the correct option is option number B, that is diachronic. Question number 14. Which of the following patterns of intonation is used in polite requests? Options are the falling tone, the rising tone, the fall-rise tone or the rise-fall tone. And the correct option is option number C, that is fall-rise tone. Question number 15. The older term used to designate the study of language is option A, philology, haplology, phonology or semiology. And the correct option is option number A, that is philology. Question number 16. The k sound in act and picture is a bilabial plosion, alveolar plosion, nasal plosion, or incomplete plosion. And the correct option is option number D, that is incomplete plosion. Question number 17. Language is never static, it goes on changing. This property of language is called dynamic, recursiveness, displacement, or transference. And the correct option is dynamic. Question number 18. A minimal meaningful unit in the grammatical system of a language is called option A, syllable, B, phoneme, C, morpheme, or D, allomorph. And the correct option is option number C, that is morpheme. Question number 19. The ish in the word childish is adjective forming morpheme, noun morpheme, possessive morpheme, or past morpheme. And the correct option is option number A, that is adjective forming morpheme. Question number 20. He deserves free studentship dash his merit. Options are in spite of, in the face of, by virtue of, or in quest of. And the correct option is option number C, that is by virtue of. Question number 21. You dash have told me about it. Options are able, need, could, or must. And the correct option is option number C. You could have told me about it. Question number 22. Choose the correct passive voice of the line. You don't need to wind this watch. Option A. This watch need not to be wound. B. This watch does not wind. C. This watch need not be wounded. Or D. This watch need not be winded up. And the correct option is option number A. This watch need not be wound. Question number 23. Vinita pronounced the word dash correctly. Options are quite, quit, quilt, or quiet. And the correct option is option number D, that is QUIT, quite. 24. We have to choose the correct indirect narration of everybody said how well she sings. Options are everybody told us that she sings very well. Everybody exclaimed that she sings very well. Everybody exclaimed that she sang very well, or everybody told us that how she sang very well. And the correct option is option number C, that is everybody exclaimed that she sang very well. Question number 25. Choose the correct meaning of apple of discord. Options are in good condition, matter of dispute, to have bitter enemy, or inner trouble. And the correct option is matter of dispute. Question number 26. What dash about you? Does he know? Does knows he did, or no does he? And the correct option is option number A, that is what does he know about you? Question number 27. Which of the following plays is not a memory play? Options are A Streetcar Named Desire, Summer and Smoke, The Glass Menagerie, or Murder in Cathedral. And the odd one out option is Murder in Cathedral. Question number 28. The Purloined Letter is a magical fiction, mythological fiction, detective fiction, or romantic fiction. And the correct option is option number C, that is detective fiction. Question number 29. Which of the following is not theme of the story The Last Leaf? Options are hope, friendship, sacrifice, or ambition. And the odd one out option is option number D, that is ambition is not the theme of the story The Last Leaf. Question number 30. Who among the following is the vigilant in the story Dry September? Options are John McClendon, Will Mace, Henry II, or Butch. And the correct option is option number D, that is Butch. Question number 31. When the prologue of Anne Bradstreet's collection, The Tenth Muse Lately Sprung Up in America, was first published? Options are 1650, 1651, 1652, 1653. And the correct option is option number B, that is 1651. Question number 32. O Captain, My Captain was composed in which year? 1765, 1865, 1885 or 1895? And the correct option is option number B, that is 1865. Question number 33. Crow stands in the poem Crow Testament as a symbol for the Native Americans, the white Americans, the devil, or the deity. And the correct option is option number A, the Native Americans. Question number 34. The advantage of group discussion is or are? It is highly multidimensional issue, the availability of equipment under discussion, the need for less equipment and fewer materials, or none of these. And the correct option is option number A, that is, it is a highly multidimensional issue. Question number 35. The approach which focuses on the integration of the team is curriculum, practice, flexibility, or resources. And the correct option is option number A, that is curriculum. Dash exhibits, question number 36. Dash exhibits a basic level of order, but the teacher still struggles to maintain it. You have to choose the correct option. Option A is adequate classroom environment. B, orderly restrictive learning environment. C, orderly enabling learning environment. Or D, dysfunctional classroom environment. And the correct option is option number A, that is, adequate classroom environment exhibits a basic level of order, but the teacher still struggles to maintain it. Question number 37. Literal meaning of supervision is superior knowledge and power, superior knowledge and service, superior efforts and services, or none of these. And the correct option is option number A, that is superior knowledge and power. Question number 38. The intervention needed for creative and talented children in the classroom is appropriate and creative activities, individualized instruction, a supportive environment, or all of these. And the correct option is option number A, that is appropriate and creative activities. Question number 39. If a class is to be considered motivated, children have to come to school neatly dressed, maintain discipline in the class, be regular in attendance, or ask questions seeking clarification. And the correct option is option number D, that is ask questions seeking clarification. Question number 40. The knowledge of counseling skills is essential for teachers because to prepare a weekly lesson plan, to promote student learning and well-being, to collect data on the learner, to guide the student in possessing technical competence. And the correct option is option number A, that is to prepare a weekly lesson plan. Question number 41. A teacher should prepare teaching points because this will help him or her in saving time, in maintaining discipline in the class, in knowing what to teach in the class, or in making teaching effective. And the correct option is C, in knowing what to teach in the class. Question number 42. The objective of education is to create persons who are useful for society, create learned citizens, create sensible citizens, or all of these. And the correct option is all of these. Question number 43. The objective is limited to the quantitative description of the pupil's performance is test, measurement, evaluation, or none of these. And the correct option is option number B, that is measurement. Question number 44. Evaluation is meant to at the end of the unit, before the teaching learning process, throughout the teaching learning process, or all of these. And the correct option is option number C, that is throughout the teaching learning process. Question number 45. An ongoing dialogue between the teacher and the student during the learning process is the characteristic of formative assessment, summative assessment, diagnostic assessment, or norm referenced assessment? Correct option is option number A, that is formative assessment. Question number 46. Psychological foundation plays its role in the development of curriculum, keeping in view the student's interest, student's needs, student's abilities, or all of these. And the correct option is all of these. Question number 47. Sociological foundations are concerned with option A, history, economy, society, or idea. And the correct option is option number C, that is society. Question number 48. Which of the following is not a technique of teaching? Options are teaching technique, illustration, dramatization, or kindergarten. And the correct odd one out option is option number D, that is kindergarten. Question number 49. Which learning theory provides support for active participation of learners in the learning process and interaction with the learning materials as the basis? Options are SR theory of Watson, B, reinforcement theory of Skinner, constructivist theory of Vygotsky, or theory of Ivan Pavlov. And the correct option is option number C, that is constructive theory of Vygotsky. Question number 50. Which of the following method can be used quite frequently in classroom? Options are case study, observation, experimentation, or none of these. And the correct option is observation. With this, we end our video here. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Hope you like it. And please join our Telegram channel for daily quizzes and updates.